Faris Najah binti Abdul Ghani.
My name is Nur Najah binti Muhammad Rosman, and my name is Ifa Fazana binti Muhammad Rosdang.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Aisyafiq.
Okay, my name is Mio Faiz bin Mio Saleh.
So, our video will present to you about rubber plantation in Malaysia.
Let's go!
Our group will talk about rubber plantation in Malaysia. Rubber originate from Brazil that were brought over by English botanist Harry Nicholas Ridley in 1877. Rubber had become Malaysia's largest producer at one time. The scientific name for rubber is Hevea brasiliensis, that come from the family of Euphorbiaceae.
Okay, so for morphology for rubber tree is divided into four, which is leaf, fruit and seed, flower and bark. Okay, for leaf, is leaf are trifoliate, which is made up from 3 leaflets. Okay, for fruit and seed, fruit is a capsule made from 3 lobes. Once it's ripening, the capsule will explode, which is known as dehiscence. For flowers, the flower is small with no petals, in a large cluster and extremely pungent. Okay, for bark is pale to dark brown and the bud is smooth, with smooth surface.
Okay, now I will explain about the soil and climatic requirement. The growth requirement for rubber tree mineral 45%, air 25%, water 25%, and organic material 5%. For the best climate for the rubber tree are solar radiation need more than 6.2 hours per day, mean maximum temperature about 29 to 35 Celsius, annual rainfall of the rubber tree 1,800 to 2,000 millimeter. The area for the rubber tree we should avoid area prone to strong wind. Okay, for the soil, mature soil with the deep topsoil, good physical and the chemical characteristic is the favorable for the rubber. Soil limitation for the rubber are divided by 2, class and order. Order have 3 order and the class have 5.
They have a several characteristics that we can differentiate it by clone or it's by seedling. So we can know that it's by seedling or it's a clone. Okay, clones are propagated by budding, grafting, and tissue culture. But for the seedling, it's of course propagated by the seed. Okay, leaf for the clone rubber tree is more shine than a seedling rubber tree. Okay, for the stem, clone that is straight and cylindrical, but for the seedling, it is cone shape. Okay, for the yield, which is the product from the tree, for the clone, it's more higher than the seedling, which is less product from the clone. Suitable tapping system for the clone is every per a day, but for the seedling, every 2 days. Common rubber clones in Malaysia, RRM, which is Rubber Research Institute of Malaysia, PB, Prambesta, CH Cemara and LTC, latex timber clone. In general, there are 2 types of propagation for rubber tree. One is sexual and the other is asexual. Sexual is through seed and asexual is by grafting, cutting, budding and tissue culture.
This is the example of disease that occur in rubber tree. The name of the disease is bird eye spot. You can see it in this leaf. Now go to Mio.
Okay, for the distance to put the fertilizer for the above 12-month rubber tree, we have to put fertilizer away from the tree about 92 cm.
While for the rectangular planting, the spacing recommended is 6.7 meter times 3.4 meter, which is we can get 445 plants per hectare. When the planting density is increased, the yield per unit area will increase, but the per plant yield will increase. A higher initial stand of about 500 plants per hectare is recommended.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So for today, I will show you the budding technique that have been completed by our class. So as you can see here, this is the budding that we have completed. So because it has been completed, I will just tell you about the step. First of all, we need a rootstock and we need a scion. I'll show you the step. So first of all, we need to cut the measurement for bud patch, which is 2 cm and 5 cm, and then we peel off the bark. Then we need this is for example the scion. We need the exact measurement for scion and put it into the bud patch. After that, we will surround we will put parafilm and surround it just like this one. But this one has been dead because we are late to remove the parafilm. That's all. So I will talk about harvesting. Harvesting or tapping is a process of controlled wooding during which thin shaving of bark are removed. Maturity of rubber tree and opening of tapping part 4 to 5 years after planting trees maturity and can be tapped 4 to 5 years after planting reach maturity. For budded grafted rubber trees, the girth of tree to exceed 45 cm measure at height of 151 cm from the ground level. For seedling rubber trees, the first opening for tapping is recommended at height of 50 cm when the girth is 55 cm. Equipment that are needed for tapping panel. First is girth measuring scale. Second is tapping slope measuring scale. Third is marker pen or white chalk. Fourth, tapping roll to plot stem. Fifth, metal spout. Sixth, cup holder. And the last is latex cup.
Okay, for nursery are established and maintained for raising various propagation materials for planting. There are 4 types of nurseries, which is seedling nursery, budwood nursery, polybag nursery, and ground nursery. Okay, before you choose this, there are few things that need to be considered before we pick the site for nursery selection. Number 1, you must have a water supply. Number 2, well-drained area. Number 3, flat surface. Number 4, free from flood. And number 5, good accessibility.
For rubber tree, of course, we need to manage our nursery. Nursery management includes seed plantings, weeding, irrigation, manuring, mulching, cooling, and the pest and the disease control.
Prior to planting, there are several activities to be done. For example, land preparation, drainage construction, lining, leguminous cover crop SCC establishment, transportation of plant material, and hauling.
Okay, so this is the end of our video.
As we know, rubber is important for our country.
Big thank you to our lecturer and friend to support us to make this video.
So through this video,
We hope that you all can take something from this video.
Yeah, bye!